Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its seamless integration of the brand's well-known engineering skill with advanced design principles suited for long trips and mobile living, the expected 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan marks a significant evolution in the field of luxury recreational vehicles. It is anticipated that this car will represent a well-balanced combination of comfort, performance, and technological innovation, establishing a new standard for discriminating road travelers looking for a more luxurious experience. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan's external design is anticipated to showcase the brand's modern design language, which is distinguished by refined lines, well-balanced proportions, and painstaking attention to detail. Because it contributes to both fuel economy and a more enjoyable driving experience, aerodynamic efficiency is probably going to be a major factor. In addition to improving visibility, integrated lighting systems that use cutting-edge LED technology will add to the car's elegant appearance. The exterior's use of premium materials and finishes will highlight the car's premium standing. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan's sophisticated design will probably be supported by a sturdy and cutting-edge chassis that will provide both dynamic handling and a comfortable ride. In keeping with Mercedes-Benz's larger electrification goal, the powertrain options are expected to include strong and efficient engines, possibly including hybrid or fully electric versions. To put safety and driver convenience first on lengthy trips, advanced driver assistance technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping aid, and improved braking systems will be easily integrated. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan's interior will be a haven of elegance and practicality. An atmosphere of unmatched elegance will be created by premium materials, such as rich leathers, gorgeous wood veneers, and painstakingly carved metal accents. The arrangement will be carefully planned to make the most use of available space and offer a cozy living space. This will probably feature a nice sleeping space with fine linen, a well-equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and an elegant bathroom with top-notch fixtures. A key component of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan experience will be technological integration. A cutting-edge infotainment system that is fully incorporated into the dashboard will offer connectivity, entertainment, and navigation capabilities. Anticipated are smart home technologies that enable remote control of several vehicle operations. Regardless of the outside weather, sophisticated climate control systems will guarantee a comfortable inside atmosphere. The usefulness and adaptability of the living area will be further improved by well-considered storage options and flexible furniture arrangements. To sum up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan has the potential to completely reimagine what luxury travel means. This car will provide a mobile living experience with unmatched comfort, convenience, and style by skillfully fusing Mercedes-Benz engineering prowess, elegant design, and state-of-the-art technology. It is anticipated to set a new benchmark for luxury caravans in the automotive industry and appeal to a discerning customer looking for an upscale and sophisticated way to travel the world.